Today, the idea that the Earth is round feels obvious. We've seen photos from space, globes in classrooms, and airplane routes that curve around the planet. But it wasn't always like this. In many ancient cultures, including parts of Europe, people imagined the Earth as flat or as a simple plate. It starts only with some philosophers like the ancient Greeks argued for a spherical Earth based on clues. For example, the curved shadow of the Earth on the moon during lunar eclipse, and also how different stars appear when you travel north or south. By about the 3rd century BC, people like Eratosthenes could even estimate the Earth's circumference with impressive accuracy. Later, in the 16th century, Magellan's crew circumnavigated the globe, giving practical confirmation that you can sail around the Earth and come back to the same point. No edges. But for the average person, especially without education or travel, the world still felt flat. They stood on a seemingly endless ground and trusted their eyes. Now, listen to how the Quran describes the relationship between night, day, and the earth. When Allah Almighty said, يُكَوِّرُ اللَّيْلَ عَلَى النَّهَارِ وَيُكَوِّرُ النَّهَارَ عَلى اللَّيْلِ. He wraps the night over the day and wraps the day over the night. And the Arabic verb يُكَوِّر comes from the image of wrapping a turban around the head, layer over layer, around something curved. This is not a picture of a flat sheet being flipped. It's the image of something being wound around, one side disappearing as the other side appears continuously. And Allah also says, وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا. After that, He spread and round the earth. The verb daha means to round, roll up. For example, it said, the baker daha the dough. He shaped it into the shape of an egg. And until today, some Arabs still call eggs dahi. So put these pieces together. Night and day are being wrapped around the earth. This wrapping continuous, non-stop, because the earth is rotating. The language hints at a rounded surface, not a simple flat plate. Remember, who first heard these words? People without globes, without satellite images, without rockets. People who walked on flat land, whose natural assumption would be flat. Yet the Quran uses a verb tied to wrapping around something curved, and a word linked to an egg-like spreading over the earth. Our goal here in this series is not to claim the Quran is a physics textbook. It's to notice how its descriptions become more meaningful as knowledge grows. One verse, one concept, one honest question to yourself at a time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.